Good morning, it's Diane with So Charming Quilts, and we are here this morning to do an unboxing for you. We received an order from QT Fabrics last night, and I just wanted to show you some of the beautiful fabrics that we got in and that will be in the studio for you to purchase. We're going to start with our speckles line. This is our first color. It is black multi. It's got a black background, it's got some grays, some blues, some greens, some yellows. Very pretty. To go along with that, we have lime. Again, this is all speckled, so there's lots of different speckled colors in there. This is our cream. It's got a little bit more earthy tone speckles, some bricks, some darker blues, some greens, some yellows. We have light blue, more primary colors, the reds, the greens. Here is our white multi. Again, more of those primary colors, greens, yellows, reds, oranges. These would make great backgrounds. We also have bubble gum for those little girls in your life that like bright pink colors. And the last one is our navy. It's a navy background with those primary colors. We also carry this in our 108 wide back, so if you're looking for a wide back that matches, we have a wide back in this color. We've started carrying some white on white. This is actually a cream on cream. It's got little stars. I don't know if you can see those stars. But this goes along with some of our other ones that we have in the studio. We've got white on white, we've got black on white, and now we've got some cream on cream. Great background prints. This is one of my favorites. This is Extraordinary Elephants Navy Line Work. Look at the movement in this. It's a navy background, it's got some greens, some whites, some light colors going on. Look for more in this line to come. We like this one. We also have Luminous Twist Teal. We purchased this one because we're going to feature our Candace bag. This is going to be a class that's coming in late April, possibly early May. Look for it on our newsletter and our website. We're going to do a class so that you can make your own Candace bag. And I pulled some colors that would possibly work with this. We have Rapture. We have a color blends. This is Brick. Those would work gorgeous together. We also have another Rapture. We have a couple Raptures. We have a light gray and a dark gray. You could choose any of these combinations and they would look lovely together. We also pulled Kona Cotton Regal and Amethyst if you want to go and pull more of the purples out of this color. You could do that. Would also go with the Rapture. So look for this class coming soon on our website, and I think that's about it for today. You can join us on YouTube, you can subscribe, you can like us on Facebook and Instagram. We're in both places. And you can find us on the web at www.socharmingquilts.com. Have a great day. Thanks.